CBSE board exams 2021 will be held offline, scheduled to be announced tomorrow, says Education Minister. Karnataka Education Minister checks preparedness for commencement of regular classes from January 1st. Bihar government to distribute 73 lakh face masks among students as schools prepare to reopen from January 4th. Some are closing schools to remain closed till February 12th in Himachal Pradesh. JAC classes 10 and 12 compartmental exams result declared. Assam passes bill to convert state-run Madras into regular schools. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN and the Daily Stories. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal on Wednesday said that he will announce the dates for the Centre Board of Secondary Education Class 10 and 12 exam on December 31st at 6 pm. He said that the CBSE board examination will not be held online and the examination will be held in adherence to COVID-19 protocols. He also said that the students were looking forward to the CBSE board exams, and during the current pandemic time of difficulty, the dates have been decided on and after consulting several parents, teachers and students. With schools set to reopen from January 1st in Karnataka, Primary and Secondary Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar on Wednesday visited a few institutions and reviewed their preparedness to conduct classes adhering to COVID-19 guidelines. The minister inspected arrangements in classrooms and spoke to the headmasters, principals, lecturers and teachers, instructing them to take precautions to prevent spread of the virus once the classes resume. With less than a week left for reopening of schools in Bihar for students of classes 9 to 12, all government and private schools have geared up for making necessary arrangements and staggering COVID-19 safety protocols for resuming regular classes. As part of safety measures directed by the Crisis Management Group, Bihar Education Department is set to purchase more than 73 lakhs face masks in order to provide 2 face masks to each student of classes 9 to 12 studying in government schools. In view of the current COVID-19 situation in Himachal Pradesh, the government has decided that summer closing schools will remain closed till February 12, 2021. However, online studies through Har Ghar Pathshala will continue in these schools. A notification regarding this has been issued by the Education Secretary. Earlier in November, the state government had ordered the schools to be prepared for higher classes after regular schools being closed since March due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, but immediately had to withdraw the decision after several students and teachers tested positive for the virus. The Jharkhand Academic Council Ranchi has released the compartmental result for secondary and intermediate exams at its official website jacresults.nic.in. The compartment exams are held for students who have failed in a maximum of 3 subjects, including elective or optional subjects. Several state boards and even CBSE had cancelled the compartmental exams due to the pandemic this year. These boards have decided to promote students by giving them grace marks. In the annual JAC results, 82.53% of students in the arts stream passed the exams, while in commerce, the pass percentage was 77.27%. The Assam Assembly on Wednesday passed a bill to convert all state-run madrasas into regular schools amidst a walkout by the opposition. Opposition Congress and All India United Democratic Front had sought the bill to be sent to the Assembly's Select Committee for a proper discussion on it. However, Speaker Hitendra Nath Goswami rejected the demand and placed the bill for a voice later. Later, it was passed. The members of the state's ruling coalitions such as BJP, Assam, Gana Parishad and Bodoland's People's Front voted in its favor. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.